Hey everybody, check it out. Here we've got another really cool RC truck, off-road machine here from GP Toys. The Flame Piece S916. Here's some of the stuff you see on the box here. It says it does 26 miles an hour. We'll test that with the radar. It's two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, 2.4 radio, 1/12 scale. You can see what the radio will look like. Kind of what the buggy will look like. It makes a note here that it's got a flat spot to hook your GoPro on it. There's what it'll look like with the top off. Some technical specs for you. And there you go. We'll get it out of here and show you what it looks like inside the box. Alright, here's everything you get in the box. Get the awesome looking buggy. Here is your battery charger. It's got the US plug on it. It's got some sort of custom plug there. We'll get the battery out in a minute. Here's your transmitter, and in this little bag here is some spare parts. So you've got a wheel, looks like some transmission gears, a lug wrench, screwdriver, and some spare body clips. So the wheel just goes on. Make sure there's nothing in there. Just fits right into your transmitter here. There you go, easy as that. So you got your stick for your throttle, your steering, your on-off button here. It'll take 2 AA's. And here's your steering trim on the other side in the wheel. And then obviously you got your manual. We'll pull the clips here and get into the body. Oh, that's really cool. It just hinges. Huh, nice. So, then you'll flip these and get to your battery. So here's your battery pack. There's also an off-on switch in there. So it's got a pretty proprietary plug on it. It's a 3-cell, must be a lithium ion or some style of battery. Yeah, lithium ion, 800 milliamp, 9.6 volt. So there you go. So there's all the pieces. So we'll get this charged up and we'll get it out in the field, take a look at it. For right now, here's some looks at it. Very smooth underside, so nothing to get hooked on anything or to cake up with anything. Here you can see the rear drive. They don't feel like oil-filled shocks. They look like they would be though. It's a very cool looking truck. Very cool looking truck. I really dig the looks of that thing. Looks really nice. I love the fact that the body flips up. Kind of see how that mechanism works. Pretty cool. Motor's down inside there. So yeah. Alright, so when we come back, we'll be out in the field. Okay guys, here we go. We got charged up. Got the battery in place. In order to get to it, once you have it plugged in, you got to get in here and turn it on. So turn it on. Oops, transmitter's on. There we go. Now we'll put that back together. Put our little clips in and we'll be good to go. There we go. I do have my radar gun, so we'll see what she's got. Got plenty of power. Need to adjust the steering trim a little bit. So we'll turn a little bit. I like to drive it and turn it. Looks like I'm going the wrong way. There we go. Okay, awesome. Let's get the radar gun out. We'll turn it on. One's a little tricky to drive with one hand. We'll get it down there and then we'll come back. Got 29 going away, that's pretty good. Alright, we'll get it going straight here. See what she's got. 26 that time. $23 that time. $21. So she handles some grass. Not bad. Oh, right through the goose poop. Got nice proportionate control. You can go really slow if you'd like to for some crawling, so to speak, but if you want to just till around, you can do that too. And first casualty. Ow! Yeah. Still great range. Been driving this thing for quite a while. I didn't start a timer today, but still got lots of power, goes pretty fast. Yeah, there it went out of range, but that was pretty far. Alright everybody, that kind of concludes this. This thing did really good. I abused it, bashed it, jumped it, crashed it. Went fast, went slow, went backwards. The whole shebang. Still has lots of power. This is a thumbs up. I like this one. It's a lot of fun. My son's gonna get a kick out of it. It's pretty durable. And it just looks cool. Look at that thing. Looks awesome. So, if you're in the market for a truck like this, give this one a try.